Want to grow a YouTube automation channel without spending hours writing, recording, or editing? Let me show you how to make long videos automatically with MagicLight AI. The link to try it is in the description. So MagicLight AI is the ultimate tool for YouTube automation. You can create video up to 30 minutes long. Entering a simple prompt, the AI handles everything from script writing and visual to voiceover and editing. So why it's perfect for automation? This is a game changer for faceless YouTube channels. No need to hire voice actors or editor. Just type your topic and AI delivers to ready to publish video. And that means you can scale fast, upload consistently, and focus on growing your revenue. As I will show you here, you just go to the tool AI Video Agent, type your inspiration, whatever you think that will make a video for you and to your niche. I don't know, sports, gaming, everything. After that, it will give you simple script. Just then go to the second tool, which is story to video. Enter the smart script here or basic script here. Make sure you select the landscape for YouTube and choose your model and then the style that you have. You can follow this one. Choose whatever length you want, 3 to 5 minutes, 5 to 10, whatever you want, and then generate your video. It may ask you to pay for it, so I really recommend to go for the Plus plan or Pro plan. It's really cheap for what it's giving. So, if you're serious about building a YouTube automation channel, MagicLight AI is the best tool to get started. Click the link in the description, try it for free, and start creating long video today.